How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly transfer money from your Shopify account or Shopify store to your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys the steps to successfully doing this. However, there are a couple of things that we need to get out of the way first. Things like setting up our PayPal account with our Shopify. So let's say that you've set up your store, you've entered all of the products that you want to sell, um, all the configuration, setting up the prices and all that jazz, and you're now ready to cash in the money that you collected from your Shopify. So the first thing that you guys need to know is that when you create your Shopify account, by default, it already sets you up with a PayPal Express checking account or checkout account rather. But assuming that you don't have a PayPal Express account and you want to set it up with a normal PayPal account, like something like a business account, or a regular PayPal account, then here's what you need to do. So it reads, when you set up your Shopify store, like I said, Shopify automatically creates a PayPal Express checkout account using the email address that you use to sign up with your store. So if you have any PayPal accounts that are tied to the email you used to create your Shopify account, then it would automatically create the link between the two. But it goes on to say that if you already have a PayPal account with that email address, then you receive payments from orders made with the PayPal right away. So if you want to issue refunds or manually capture payments, then you need to finish setting up your PayPal account. Which are these steps that I will get into later in the video. But first, let's read through the guidelines so we better understand just how this works. So to use PayPal in your store, you should upgrade your personal account to a business account. So this is the only way that you're able to actually create a store, or rather a transaction link between your Shopify store as well as your PayPal. So instead of a personal account, it has to be a business account on PayPal. So most of the functions with that pertain to the business account and tools provided by PayPal are only available for this type of account. So we're talking about the business account. So if you don't already have a PayPal business account with the email address you used to sign into your store, then you can add your email address to an existing PayPal account. Or you can just go with the first option because this has all of the payment automations and whatnot. So what you guys actually need to do is at the start of the video when I said that Shopify sets you up with a PayPal Express account by default, but the goal is to set it to a business account. And to do so, here's what you need to do. So on desktop, what you want to do is you want to log into your Shopify account. You know what, honestly, I should read the description first. So let's actually do that before I get to the steps. So PayPal is one of Shopify's default payment providers. As soon as you open your Shopify store, you're given a PayPal Express checkout account. So because PayPal requires your email to create the PayPal Express checkout account, Shopify will share your email with PayPal. So you should finish setting up your PayPal account or deactivate PayPal from the payment setting in your Shopify admin dashboard so you can avoid exposing your email publicly. So if you want to issue refunds or manually capture payments using PayPal, then you need to give Shopify permissions from your PayPal business account. So what this means is that we have to turn the Shopify account link up on and off to basically refresh the connection between both accounts. And to do so, like I said, step one, you need to log into your Shopify admin page. And once you guys are on the dashboard, basically follow the steps here: settings, payments, and from there you want to click on the option that says additional payment methods and find PayPal. Now, once you're in PayPal, there should be a little button right to the side of the payment method that says Manage. So you want to click on Manage, and you should have the option there to deactivate your PayPal Express account. So we're going to click on that and confirm, and we're going to reactivate it. And to do so, just click on Activate PayPal Express Checkout. Now, when you do that, the website will prompt you to enter an email address for your PayPal account. So here's where you actually get to tie your Shopify account or your store to a specific PayPal business account. So when you do, when you enter the email, click on next and enter the password of your PayPal account. Basically, a security login just to confirm, and simply log in. Now, on the PayPal permissions page, basically give Shopify permission to create the link up. And on the PayPal confirmation page, rather, go back to Shopify once you've given a PayPal permission to link up with Shopify. And yeah, you can test this out by making a transaction to make sure that everything works properly. So with that out of the way, let's get back to how you can actually transfer money from your Shopify to your PayPal account. And to do so is quite simple. So there are a couple of different ways to do this. There's the one on the website if you're on desktop, as well as the ways to do it if you're on Android or iPhone or Apple rather. So let's start with the desktop version. So what you guys want to do is you want to log into your Shopify admin account, and normally this would take you to the dashboard. And on the left hand side, there are a couple of different options to choose from. So there's settings, there's home, there's products, finances, and whatnot. And what you want to click on is finances. So when you click on finances, select balance, and under balance there should be an option that says there should be an option that says move money. And when you click on move money, you'll have another set of options to choose from. So you could either send it to a different Shopify account or different checking accounts and whatnot. So from here, you want to click on transfer funds, and these next two steps are optional. You want to click on connect a bank account within the from account selector, and select the bank and then choose the steps to connect your account. Now this one is where you actually get to choose PayPal. So when you click on connect bank account, you should have an option there. If you've done the steps that we did earlier in the video, you've set up our PayPal account with Shopify, the option should be visible there. So click on connect bank account and select PayPal, enter the description, and then here we get to enter the amount that we want to transfer from Shopify to PayPal. And right before you actually get to authorize the transaction, the website would prompt you with the details, the review details rather. So once everything's in order, we should be ready to authorize the transfer. And when you click on authorize transfer, you're done. That'd be it. You've successfully transferred money from your Shopify account to your PayPal account. So hopefully this guide helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.